originally at the rest or in motion. Newton's first law states that an object at rest will stay at rest and an object at motion will stay in the motion with the same speed and same direction unless any unbalanced force is applied on it.
Yes.
For example, a book resting on a table will remain at the rest position itself forever until someone pushes it. And another example, a ball rolling on a smooth and frictionless surface will move forever. But in reality, it does not happen because no surface is completely smooth. It has some friction force.
Yes.
So the ball will move and it stops at some distance because of the frictional force applied by the ground. And here, a card balanced on the tumbler, and I kept a coin on top of the card, and I will flick the card, and the coin will straightly fall into the tumbler because of
Bottom of the tumbler.
So at first the coin was on top. The coin was at the rest position, but the sudden movement of the card make the coin fall directly straight into the tumbler. Inertia and mass. Inertia depends upon the mass. Here, when I flick the card, here I kept a carom coin which is less heavier than the coin. So the coin requires more force. So the coin requires more force than the carom coin. So inertia depends upon the mass. Thank you.
Very good. Any queries about this Newton's first law?
No.
Yes, it's clear to all, no?